Well, this is a message from Mali Vanili to the international community.
Thank you. Okay.
That's a message for everybody, from Los Angeles to Nairobi, to the states around the world. Let us vote, let us vote, let us vote. Most Catalans don't feel Spanish, and the Spain's about to vanish, and the sweetest side to go. Let us vote, let us vote. It's not all about the money. I don't feel like sharing home. You don't light my fire, honey. We'll be better on our own. Let us vote, let us vote. If you mix Miles and Junqueras with Hernandez and Herreras, they for sure beat Rajoy. What a joy, what a joy, what a joy. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. Let the Catalans mind their business. Let us take the freedom road. Let us vote, let us vote.
Thank you very much.